I hope you're all out there having the best day possible. And as always, I appreciate you taking a bit of time out of that day to actually watch one of my videos. And in this one, I'm going to be unboxing a silver set of 3 bars that I actually got from one of the companies that I included in the description of my recent video, Gifts to Get for the Silver Stacker in Your Life. And this guy has been gracious enough to actually allow me to use his own, I guess you could call it, amazing photos of the products that he produces as thumbnails for a few of my videos, which definitely helps me out, not having to just search up generic silver images on Google Images every time I want to make a thumbnail, and I definitely appreciate him for that. Gonna have to really continue to purchase from this guy just based on how professional he is. He sent a really nice invoice, and I won't lie, I did already open this up just in case there was anything on the invoice that had like personal information, so I could already take that out. But overall, a very professional experience, very fast shipping, and as you guys are about to see, a really awesome product as well. And we're about to get a little wobbly as we actually got the I literally had one hand in trying to show this off. We got the hands-free mode because I just have a neck thing on, but basically, I'm just gonna pull out the actual thing with the cardboard because I have not unboxed the silver set itself yet, and then I'm going to get the COAs out as well because these are pretty cool, I think, just to have. But here's a little sticker, and then there are, you can see, 3 different mintage counts for the bars in the set. Now there's only 12 of these actual sets sold, and then the one bar in there has a 500 mintage, while the 2 other bars have a 100 mintage, and you have a brilliant uncirculated finish, an antiqued finish, and a proof finish. Sorry, I was like having trouble thinking of the word for a second there, but awesome to actually have these COAs because you can see for 2 of the bars the serial number that they are, and then you can also see the date that they were actually issued on, and you have Stephen Lund's signature, the person who actually runs this company. So again, extremely professional and just really awesome experience all around. Now to get into the actual silver here, sorry if this is a little bit, oh my god, it's like my old videos now, it's so wobbly. Sorry about this, guys. I'm just trying to make it a little bit easier. I'll grab the camera as soon as I can. I am really sorry. I just don't want to accidentally cut anything wrong here. I'm trying to be really careful with this. I wanted to, because like it's not really a proper unboxing since I didn't actually unbox it. It's just it's so hard to like not have personal information accidentally get shared. I remember seeing a video of someone who ordered a large amount of silver and just literally showed his address on camera, and I was like, geez, like it just was a little scary. And I did have an issue before with my address getting leaked because I was a dumb kid. So overall, just not an experience that I would like to have again. But alas, I think we do have it here. All right, there we go. It's 1 bar. Can we get to the other 2? Oh man, this is like, it's almost counterintuitive for me. Oh my god, because like obviously I appreciate the packaging being so good, but it's like, oh, now I gotta, okay, I don't know if I can get this one from this side. Oh man, I'm sorry guys, this is really, but now at least I think I know. I can just confidently cut a little bit more. Did I really not even cut far enough? Jeez, this is the like, worst unboxing of all time. Oh my god. Yeah, we're just gonna go and just finish it off. I know it's gonna shake way too much now. Let me try to get a little bit of a hold. All right, sorry about that experience, guys. I know that was not exactly, I guess, not vomit inducing because it was, and I really do apologize. But for the actual bars here, let's get them showed off a little bit. We have one of the bars is actually in a bag and then also sealed, it appears. So I think we can take it out of the bag and be safe. Not have to worry. Yeah, okay, I like that. It's really nice. So here we go. Got Reckless Metals. We got 3 different finishes on these bars. You guys can kind of see the difference. Not the best on my end. The finish is just so good that they're so reflective, but I try to bring down the light here so you guys can actually see the difference. I can really easily see it with my eye, but here is kind of each bar for you guys. Pretty sure that this is the brilliant uncirculated, this is the proof, and then this is the antiqued. I can obviously be corrected, but that looks definitely like the antiqued bar. And then between these, this is much more proof-like looking to me. So that is going to be my guess on that. If I'm wrong, obviously, then I look like an idiot. But with that being said, let me actually flip over these bars before I start doing the outro. Really starting to jump the gun on that because I'm just so embarrassed by how poorly this went. But here's the actual back of the bar here. You guys can see a really awesome design. Look at that. Like, there's a lot of intricate detail actually on that bar. And again, they have a really low mintage as well. So not exactly something that I would consider an investment in, like, a hedge against inflation or like the future of silver. But it's more of just an investment into something that has a really awesome rarity to it and a really unique design that I've never really seen in particular before, and you're probably never going to see again. So yeah, I forgot I already flipped it over. And beyond that, it's actually a chance to have 3 different silver bars. You can see that each one is technically the same, but when you actually get down to the finish, there's like little details that end up being different from each one. Like, to have them as a set, I'm just really happy that I was able to get one, and I truly appreciate Reckless Metals, or Stephen Lund, whatever you want to refer to him as, for providing such an awesome product. And again, with such professional service, I cannot recommend them enough. I will of course be linking his page in the description below, and once I get my next unboxing and any future ones, I will make sure to do the same, as long as I have a positive experience with that person, so that you guys can actually know some of the best people to get to and actually get silver for better deals and get collectibles that you won't find on eBay. But that is truly it for this one now. If you found yourself enjoying these unboxing, I don't even know what I'm trying to say anymore. If you found yourself enjoying the video somehow, then first of all, you're a saint, but second of all, you might as well subscribe at this point because you're in too deep. Peace.